Lotshane makhaya. Angikwazi ngibukele ukuphi ngalesi sikhathi ngiyakulochisa yeche kunjani? Ngiyathemba uphilile la ukhona, ngiyathemba ukhona, ngiyathemba uphatheke kuhle. Best test yokthoma ngo6 kodwa ke hey. Manje itraffic yazi. Yawazi ama-excuse njalo ukuthi umuntu aladelwe acataza ukuthi ubanjwe itraffic. Yabe ngibanjwe itraffic man iyangomgcibelo. Ntambama yabambezela. Right, siyanamukela, siyanibona, siyalochisa boka bajoyinako, Ndumiso, Emmanuel, Nafanezile, umkungu siyanilochisa bakwethu, siyathokoza. Ngathumela ama-comments wakho sowabona, kulime siphetheko namhlanje ngaphandle kokonisikhathi ngeyokuthi ungakhona njani ukulemuka ukuthi isikhathi sokugijimisa izinto kufanele ngathana uyasehlisa. Yazi sigijima khulu empilweni man, especially nasele unganeno kwe40 years na usase umuntu ogijimisako izinto. Uyazibuza ukuthi uyogijimisa izinto bekube nini. Kungaba budlelwano, ngaba i-relationship. Yazi ungena ku-relationship ungasi even ready ukuthi ungene ngaphakathi kwayo but uthi uza kubona phambili. Ungena ngenyawo eli1. Ugijimisa something man, kunento oyifunako emathandweni. Kodwa nasoloka uyitholi. Bekube nini? Uyo change ama partners bekube nini? So namhlanje bengithi asikhulume ngento leyo ukuthi how to stop chasing and settle for what you have and start enjoying what you have worked hard for. Yayibona? Ngoba abaningi bethu sisebenza enzima ukuthi sifike la sikhona. Mhlambe usagijimisana amathuba womsebenzi. La usebenza khona awaneliseki, awuthandi uthi ngathi ngathola enye into engcono, but not iyacala man. Abantu abaningi abangasebenziko namhlanje ukuthi bangakhi. Asithi ke uyaphuma kulowo msebenzi onawo nje. Kuyokuthatha isikhathi esingangani ukuthola omunye umsebenzi. Kuyokuthatha isikhathi esingangani ukuthola omunye umsebenzi. Sesezimbonela lento engilethako, ufuna singene nje ngaphakathi kwenkulumo yethu. Kune WhatsApp number ikhamba kwescreenini sakho ongayisebenzisa ukungithumela ivoice note na ufuna ukuba ingcenye yenkulumo yethu. So wathatha ama voice note wakho siwalethe emoyeni. Ungaba ngu-anonymous na ufunako. Ube ngutloga igama. Abaningi bethu uthola ukuthi usagijimisa nezinto ze-tendering ukhabana. And tender nearly one zange kulibambe. But still, you don't realize that maybe it's time to use the skill enginaso somewhere else. Because lendo ye ukuzama ukuthendara atazipopi. Kwakhe kwakufikela lokho kwe-diamond yazi ngade ngigijimisa izinto empilweni yazi. Kodwa ke kwangathi ayikho engiyibambileko. Right, ngiyabona ke ukuthi mhlamba yikho ibambileko. Asithi izikhono zibambileko ungaphakathi kwe-relationship okiyo nje. Unobudlelwano lobo kibo nje. And why ungasettle down? Why ungathi no man ngade ngihlala nomuntu lo sesina 5 years. Mhlambe sesinomntwana. Oh sesina 10 years esihlala. Why singathomi impilo? Why singathomi impilo? Why singahlala indawonye? Why umunye asesele nomunye asesele nesiyathandana enesikhathi siyakhamba. Omunye usesenengcondo yokuthi mhlambe ngizathola omunye umuntu ongcono kunalo enginaye. Totnini. Kukunini la ufikelwa khona mkhumbulo wokuthi no man, you know what? It's time to settle. Kuma relationship, I just need to settle down. I need to find someone or a relationship engiyole, I really need to make it work. Ngivumelana noyithu ngikhulume nibe nenkulumo yokubonisana ukuthi no man kade sihlala. Asithi siyahluka yokuthoma enye relationship phasi, yokuthoma umunye umuntu phasi. Kuyokwenzakalani ngabantwana bethu, abantwana esesinabo abasaziko singumma nobaba. Umkhumbulo wokuzazi ukuthi awanje khona man kade ngigijimisa izinto empilweni yazi. right? Then asihluleke kuma relationship asithi uyasebenza la usebenza khona umsebenzi owenzako ufikelwa ukuthi awuthandi but not ucala iminyaka okiyo uyakhumbula ukuthi no man umsebenzi lo sengina 10 years ngikwenza or sengina 15 years ngikwenza or ngina 20 years ngikwenza nangiyolisa phuma kiwo ngiyokwenzana yini enye mhlambe engizoyithoma like ucale nobujamo bomnotho esiphila ngaphathi kwawo ingase South Africa kwaphela iphasi lonke ngile platform esikiyo njenganje ku TikTok kunabantu abakwazi ukusitshela ukuthi ba overseas and what are the challenges abahlangabezana nazo that side thina sicabanga ukuthi na ungafuduka la uye somewhere else life could be better but when you hear those people on the other side of the equator mentioning things that are still challenging you realize that actually I'm still fine here yabo so ngilokho engithi asikhulume ngakho mbono wakho uqhakathekile iphimbo lakho liqhakathekile ama comments wakho aqhakathekile ngaba kuhle ukuthi lento sikhulumisane and share sonke because ngiyawabona ama comments wakho ayangena ngiyababona abajoinako istream sethu I hope I'm audible enough on your side yes I think so yeah we're fine okay angizwe ngakuwe mhlambe enye into ukuthi si babantu vele sidaleke lokho kokunganeliseki kiyo yonke into ongena kiyo ufuna more akufiki la uthi khona no man ithi ngisehlile la ithi ngihlale la then ngiphutsha into zami lezi ngifuna ukuziphutsha kuhle ngesikhathi nangamandla engisesenawo yabona well when you are still young yes you can ngena phuma wherever la ufuna ungena phuma khona lula kodwa kunama consequences alandelako wakangena phuma ngoba uba ne record yomuntu ofana nomuntu ongahlali kwendaweni yabo so noma mhlawumbe uya kuma interviews nabazokubuza ngomsebenzi ukuthi wakhe wasebenza kuphi then wena uthi une record and then record yakho wakhe wasebenza la wakhe wasebenza nala wakhe wasebenza la novala ama 1 year 2 years 3 years 4 years and the company efuna ukuchacha bacabanga kabili kathathu ukuthi mhlamba ngeke ahlale nalakithi umuntu lo is a mover yabo thina sifuna umuntu ozokuhlala la for the next 10 years sifuna ukinvesta kuye naye investe kithi then thokuthi wena ke asumuntu ohlalako mhlambi kube nenye candidate abayibona ingcono kunawe ekhona ukubambelela isikhatshana kwamanye ama company but ke we are not talking about that sikhuluma khulu ngendaba yokuthi kufika nini la sibabantu sicabanga ukuthi siphelile manje isikhathi sokudlala yas isikhathi sokusoloko ngigijima and okubhlungu ukuthi abaningi sigijima sigcine singakabambi litho then nawucala emva iminyaka ekhambileko isikhathi osisebenzisileko namkhe esimochekileko and ububhlungu ngesikhathi ukuthi akusiyinto ongabuya uthi uyayibuthelela imali iyasilahlekela but singabuya sisebenze enye yabo but isikhathi ngeke so why we waste so much time and energy on chasing right usitholile ispani uyaspana ugrand usharp kodwa nakuba yini ungathi okay let me try to build my next 5 years here and see ukuthi kuyokwenzakalani let me try to build my next 10 years here let me grow with this company yabo let me grow with this relationship and ungena uphume kuma relationship ugcina udope nezinto engasize kufanele ngathana uyazidopa abaningi bethu sinomraro ofana loyo but ke point number 1 ezosiza then ngizakuzwanga kuwe kuma comments. Bengitheni konje ne voice note ikhona ne nafuna ukuyithumela iWhatsApp ukhuluma nathi inamba eku-screen ngiyozoyisebenzisa. Right, kangibone la ukuthi we can make the screen a little bit bigger. There we go. Good. Kunephuzu lokuthoma liveza ukuthi practice gratitude every day. Now we're trying to get to a point of how to stop chasing and settle, you know. Ungawista amandla amaningi ekugijimeni and ungazi ukuthi ugijimisa ini. Zijayeze ukuthokoza lokhu osele ukufinyelele. Kunokuthi uthathe ifocus yakho yonke uyibeke endweni ezingekho nongaziko nongana sure ukuthi uzozifinyelela. See? So abaningi bethu sikhohlwa ukenjoya what we already have. You have this car. You have this car now. Ikolo ile nasi yakhamba seseyija sese fresh. But are we enjoy usacabanga ukuthi hayi no fanele ngiyokuthenga enye edlula le. Ine technology edingekako iyakubeka ngesikhathi la fanele kubeke khona. Are we appreciate ukuthi unayo? And mhlambe kodwa ucedile nokuyibhadela. Uyasazi isikoloto sokubhadela ikolo ukuthi sidisi njani, you know, every month kune debit order le yezako ethatha imali ekoloyi njalo. Khawuphefumule nyana man. Khokhala moya mbijana. Uyitosile 7 years yonke ubhadela ikoloyi. Or 6 years or 5 years angazi mhlambe ituration onikelwe yona ngufinancer wakho beyithini. But normally it's 72 months. So udlulile ku 72 months. Wayibhadela wayicela. Uyiphethe nakuhle kola. Enjoy. Angithi kube ngiyo yokugcina ne. But I'm just saying okay fine. Now uyothatha amandla amanye uyokuchase another thing. Why can't you just relax a little bit? And ngoba bowujayele ukuthi ubhadala installment. How about nakuthi kuyakhonakala? We continue with the same amount installment obuyibhadela for the next 3 years, maybe 36 months, 48 months, yabo. And uthi na uyothenga your second car, ungasayithengi ngesikolodo esiphezulu. Why singasijayeza njalo? Ngoba uthi nawuceda ukusettle this one. So yathoma manje ungena kwesinye godu khona msinya. Yo, bafethu. I'm just trying to check ukuthi ama stresses nama depressions amanye la esinawo. Can't we eliminate them by trying to now say man, isikhathi sokuphumula nje. Kade ngigijima. Into engizigijimisa kwezi zinengikhulu. Can enjoy lezi esele nginazo. Ngithabele lezi esele nginazo. Bafethu sikhulume namaqiniso man, you know, uku relationship usafuna omunye udade. Udade nangu ukuphethe kuhle, uyakuhlonipha. Yazi uzibuthelele, ungilo umuntu ofuna ukuthi abe nguye. But wena usase ngisamfunda, ufuna umbona. So umuphe nomntwana. Why can't you say no man, Sithando Sam, you know what? I think it's the right time now. Let's start a family. Yethu esizoyakha, esizoyithabela sobabili, ezosenza sibe nesizathu sokuthi kuba yini sisebenza budisi kangaka. Siyachase abafethu, siyagijima. So start by practicing gratitude daily. Iba ne list yezinto okhona ukuthi zimu ngiyathokoza lokho. Zimu ngiyathokoza lokho. Zimu ngiyathokoza. Including our health. Abanye sigcina sesiphutshwa buthakathaka bokugula endweni eziningi sizigijimisako. Kungakafiki ukugula kukubeke phasi ukuthi ke uphumule ke nje, kuphumuza umzimba lo, uphumuza umkhumbulo lo, asiphumuli. Why? Yini engakangaka lesigijimisako? What is it? Yini engakangaka le esigijimisako esifuna ukuyibamba, esifuna ukuyifinyelela? Mhlambe nongazibuza umbuzo loyo, then you will understand and ukuthi no, but ezinye izinto engizigijimisako lezi man, I'm so unfair to myself. Number 2, recognize the chasing trap. There's a trap esibekelwa yona, especially by advertisers. They bring products on our eyes, on our social media, on our television, wherever las khamba khona. There's always something that says, you need to get this, you need to buy this, you need to get this, you need to buy this, we need to buy. Sometimes we don't. No, we don't. We can live without. They are so unnecessary. Go to your wardrobe now. Check how many clothes and shoes ongasazimbathiko. Ezinye mhlambe zisesenama price tag. Uzithengelana. Azisakulingana ezinye. Sgain umzimba namkhasiluzile. But sisazibekile and sisafuna ukuthenga ezinye. Uqeda ukuthenga nje it's man end, right? Uqeda ukuthenga izambatho, uqeda ukubhadela ama account wakho wezambatho thethe ezinye. For what? For who to see? Bese kwenzakalani? Man, siyagijimisa izinto yazi. And angisila ukuzokujaja, but I'm just here opening an open conversation. This is an honest conversation edinga mina nawe sibe nemibono ehlukileko ngoba sibabantu asithanda izinto ngokufana, lokho ngiyakuzwisisa. But nakuthi vele umuntu wena ufuna uaccumulate a lot of things. Last thing ngibone enye iarticle iveza indlu yakamongameli omunye so. Yo imilikhula indlu leya. Akunabantu bahlala lapha. I think abantwana ba overseas, I think. Oh, maybe ba somewhere else. And I'm wondering with wow. Yazi sisebenza so hard as abazali. Sicabanga ukuthi senza konke lokhu senzela abantwana bethu. Sikhohlwe ukuthi abantwana bethu nasele babakhulu banamandla ukuzikhethela. Konke lokho esicabanga ukuthi ngikho khona kuyabachaza. Uthole ukuthi akubachazi next bakuchiye kunjalo. Bozithomela kwabo okuchaza bona, okukara bona. Bafethu sometimes amagulo asiphetheko awasimagulo ngoba siloyiwe. Magulo because we are chasing the wind. Sigichimisa umoya. Yazi siyawugijimisa umoya. Sifuna ukubamba but asikhoni angeke. So point number 2 was recognize the chasing trap, right? Sometimes we chase things like money, relationships, success, because we think they will fulfill a deeper void. Maybe there's a bigger void, there's a space anyana so engathi isikhona ehlizweni yakho ukuthi nangathola umuntu so nangathola intombi enje nangathola isokana elinje then mhlambe ispace sisizakuvaleka ulithola isokana but ispace isavulekile. Isilongathaka si right man nangathola omunye umtholo omunye naye hayi nalo ngathaka bayoba ingakhi Well, mibuzo esizibuza yona, and I would like to hear your comments as well. And ngiyathokoza engibabonako sasa. Ubuhle. Thank you so much, guys. I can see your comments. Nabaqeda ukujoina on our live stream. Thank you so much. And at the bottom of the screen, there's a WhatsApp number there. You can use that number to drop us your voice notes. And I hope we will be able to take them on air. Point number 3, define enough for yourself. Define enough for yourself. Bengilalele Will Smith the other day. I hope soke siyamazi Will Smith. He's an actor, right? American actor. Will Smith was saying, you know, at some point after you have achieved a lot of things, you realize that actually including money means nothing at all. There is a space, a gap that you really need, and that space needs peace, nothing of some sort of material things. And I was wondering, what is this guy talking about? He said there's a point in life where you realize that you need to stop chasing material things, including money. Then you will start to enjoy life. And I was like, wow. So we need to define what is enough for ourselves. Encwadini engitlolileko How to Catch a Fish. The other day I did a promo just to show you guys about this other rich man owahlangana no fisherman aziphumulele adichila ahlezi ngaphasi komthunzi. U-rich man uyafika ku-fisherman uthi, "Hey fisherman, why are you so relaxed? Why are you not working?" Working could be another word for chasing. Why are you not chasing? Right? U-fisherman uthi, "No, sengizibambile ezaneleko imfesi zelanga." You see? He understands and he can define his enough. U-fisherman uthi, "No, what do you mean? Because ilanga lisesephezulu, ngathana ungemanzini uyathiya. Na ungabamba imfesi eziningi, uzokhona ukwenza imali eningi. Uthenge isikepe sesibili ozokwazi ukusebenzisa ukubamba imfesi eziningi. Uthengisa imfesi eziningi, ungathenga namanetha amatsha. Umkhomba yonke material things ezomenza ukuthi this guy angasaphumuli, angasa-enjoy ipilo yakhe. Uthi, then you will be rich like me. Then fisherman uthi, okay. Then after I become rich, what's next? The rich guy uthi ku fisherman, so that you can enjoy life. Fisherman uyamphendula uthi, what do you think I'm doing now? I'm enjoying life. I'm enjoying myself. So esikhathini esiningi bakwethu asikhoni ukuthatha ithuba empilweni ucale ukuthi yazi lokhu esele ngikhona ukukufinyelela for today, for this week, for this month, for this year, it's enough. I will see what comes next tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. Define your enough. Understand it. Abaningi bethu yasibetha lento le. And including kuma relationships with, you need to understand how to define your enough. Umuntu ohlekisana naye nje, he's enough or she's enough, guys. Ungikho konke okudingekako ngeyakho ipilo. Nakuthi akasikho, kuthi ukuthi uthola umuntu wrong. Then fanele kho ukujama ngoba angeke kukusize ukungena kilo uphume, ungene kilo ya uphume, ungene kilo ngoba uthi ufuna umuntu ongcono. You need to know ukuthi no man, yazi nangithola umuntu ovuthweko, umuntu okhona ukungilalela, umuntu engikhona ukuthi ngikhulume naye, awukakhulumi ngama-material things, umuntu okhona uku-understand imizwa yami, umuntu okhona ukuthi angisekele la kumele angisekele khona, umuntu engikhona ukusebenzisana, umuntu ofundisekako. Define your enough. But what define enough yakho, ngifuna umuntu onemali, ngifuna umuntu osebenza, man, ngibani onemali? Ngibani umuntu? Ngoba uyokungena ungene nesilingweni, ugcina ulimele ngezinto ebekufanele ngathana ukhumbulile ukuthi kwanele. So uFisherman understood so well ukuthi uzibambile imfesi ezilingana ilanga lanamhlanje, ezinye azihlogako nakusasa kuseselanga. Ngithi zisesekhona ngemanzini imfesi, uzakubuya azokuthiya. So abaningi bethu sibethwa ngile lifestyle egcwele la ku social media, your flasher some glitz and glamour and other things. Ubani uthenga ikoloyi uyaposta, ubani uyachata uyaposta, ubani uyagraduate uyaposta, ubani wenzani uyaposta. Now ufuna ukuposta, now ufuna something to post about. It's not always about that. It's not always about that. And I wish this message ngathi ingaya twi enhlizweni zamasokana asakhulako, abantu abatsha. Ithando lami nesifiso sami sihlezi kibo esikhathini esiningi ukuthi ngikhulume nabo. Ungasibangeli ama-unnecessary pressures, peer pressures. Ubani wenzani, ubani uthola umsebenzi, ubani ugcine ukhohlwe nebusiness yakho esayidini obowuyenza. Because ubani uthola umsebenzi, now you decide ukuthi now ngiyayivala dileni, ithi nami ngiyomaketha ngithola ispan because usiget. And to ukuthi le business yakho le, hayi, iza kuhle, kabuthaka. Define your enough. Now ukuthi ma-customer amabili olinde ukwathola namhlanje, now watholileko, it's enough. Wesithathu nakezako, it's a bonus. Define your enough. Abaningi bethu sibethwa ngeleyo nto leyo. We fail to understand what is our enough. Set clear boundaries around your ambitions. Set clear boundaries. Ungayozikhama nge-installment yekoloyi ethatha 60 to 70 to 80% of your salary because you wanted ukuthi bakubone nawe. I was talking about downgrading with my son the other day. No. I think now it's about time I get myself a small car. And uyahleka ukuthi manje a small car, what does it mean? Ngithi no ngiyothenga Suzuki bani yona le ngathi nemahlwana so. Ngathi namahlwana so niphumlonyana so. Purupuruwane enye so. Hle kumsanami. Kodwa ekugcineni uthi that feels good because it's your money. The choice is yours. Nguwe okhethako ukuthi wenzani ngemali yakho. So abaningi bethu sizikhamile kabuhlungu lokuthi asisakhoni nokwenza ezinye zezinto. So you need to define your enough. Right? Last point, ngaphakathi kwephuzu lesithathu, you can grow without always chasing. You can grow so well. Abanye chase ama-titles, guys. You know, abanye chase ama-titles, you know, like ustressekile, kumele kwenziwe lokho, kumele kwenziwe lokho. Chuthi i-title le ingaka-change, you are not enough. Fine, izochange. Sikubize ngobani. Then what? What's next? Mina, I'm here to say to all of us, let us try to enjoy life. And enjoy ngama levels nangama energies wethu esiwakhonako. And ungayoziphosa ngaphakathi kwe lifestyle ezokulimaza. Because usigede uhlala endaweni nje urenta iflat or iapartment esone so hey nemnganami nami fanele ngithole engconywana ifana neyakhe. nawuthole one room ekwazi ukukubeka uye emsebenzini ubuye uye ekhaya, it's fine. It's fine. Khumbula ukuthi le ndawo erentako akusingiyakho. Singiyakho. Not unless you are renting to buy. So, la uhlala khona, you are there ukuzohereza, you are there ukuzophanda, you are there ukuzomake sure ukuthi izinto ziyenzeka. So, try by all means ukuthi awuzibeki ngaphasi kwegandelelo elingahlogekiko. Right? And you can grow without always chasing. Baningi abantu abakhulileko esibabonileko. And once you get to a point of saying, yazini, I need to do things according to my own pace. Freedom iyathoma. Uthoma ukuba free endweni because awusana point ofuna ukuyiprove lomunye umuntu. And ama-worries ayakhamba. And kunenye into engiyifundileyo ngempilo, abantu abathanda ukuhleka abanye, ukuhleka kunginamatheli. Akunginamatheli ukuhleka. Ukuthi na ungihlekileko, then ngiyokuhamba indlela leyo yonke abantu babona ukuthi ngihlekwe nguwe bese nabo bangihleka. No. Bakhona abazongithanda nginjalo. Bakhona abazongamukela nginjalo, bakhona abazongizwisisa nginjalo, bakhona abazongisekela nginjalo, bakhona abazonginikela iniluleko nginjalo. After wena songihlekile. Sometimes izinto esizichase abanye sichase ne-attention, unnecessary attention, because you want to be famous or you want to be known. I don't know ukuthi into efana leyo after that bese kwenzakalani. Bengithi namhlanje let's have a conversation as friends, brothers and sisters. Kesibone ukuthi yini lento singayilungisa so that singaziphathi ihloko manje sihloko sigula. Point number 4. I hope you're taking notes, guys, because this is a live stream. Maybe TikTok is recording it at the background. Yes, I know. I might find a whole live stream and maybe drop it on my YouTube channel. Ngawethu, our home. Then kambiyo ibukela go to ibone lapho. Point number 4, accept the season you are in. Accept the season you are in. If the season, it's hard, it's winter, everything is peeling off, things are not going okay, don't kill yourself. Don't kill yourself. Don't say, ipilo ayingithandi, mina, this and no. It's a season. It's a stage. You need to experience ukhlaga at some point. You need to experience ukhoga at some point. You really need that. Because kuzokusiza ukuthi lokho nase unelitho ukhumbule ukuthi ungadlaphazi. So, yiwinter nje ufuna ukuchase izinto, ufuna ukuphuma ngaphandle ebusika kumakhaza kubetha umoya, ufuna ukukhamba ngeveste wena, ufuna ukukhamba ubonakale, yazi na umbathi. Sasa uyagula. Iproblem akabani? Kuyoba iproblem akabani? Sasa na ugula uphethwe emgomani or whatever. Kuyoba iproblem akabani? Labo bothi abakhomba ukuthi wena umzimba wakho uthafu kangangani wena. Bazobe bakuphi? Sengitsho nemchoga ngeke bakuthengele. Understand, it's winter, mbatha, sitha, futhumala, zifuthumaze, balekela ngikhaya. Ngikhuluma nje abochontshwana bekho, babalekile, bangene ngemgodini, ba-understand ukuthi it's winter. Imvelo ngokwayo iya understanda inkhathi zomnyaka. How much more ngathi thina abantu ebekufanele ngathana siyazilemuka izinto ezifana lezi. Accept the season, guys. If the season is dry, it's dry. And then akuyokuhlala kunjalo. Mina, I'm a hardcore believer in God. Hardcore. Nofuna ukungisusa lapha ngazi mele ungisephi. But akunala ungangisakhona because vele ngicwilile ngaphakathi kokumkholwa uzimo. Ngimbone ngikhathini eziningi empilweni nami angisiza ngidlulisa kuma-seasons amaningi. Amanye wawo fanele ngithi ngicala emva ngithi hey madoda abantu abazi ukuthi sidlule entweni ezinje. Sebasibona nje sikhamba lapha abadayi laba abaphilile. Guys, sinama struggles nathi esidlula kiwo. Inkinga esidlula kizo sizithweleko sikhamba nazo. But because we understand ukuthi zima seasons and because uzimo nguyo siza kazi, the more you understand ukuthi uzimo ngubani, it's the more you also understand ukuthi you are not the body, you are a spirit living in the body. So most of us, we want to please the body and suffer the spirit. So God works in seasons. That's number one. Enye nenye into yakazimu ihleleke ngesikhathi sayo. Yonke. Ayikho into yenzeka ingasingaphakathi kwehlelo lakazimu. Nesikhathi sakhe yena sibekileko. Yonke into ingaphakathi kwesikhathi leso. Right? And ihlezi ngaphakathi kwesikhathi leso ngoba uyazwisisa ukuthi kudingeka kube njalo ngaleso sikhathi leso. Nawulinga ukuchugulula isikhathi ongaphakathi kwaso, ufana nomuntu olinga ukuchugulula ukuthi ilanga lingasaphuma ePumalanga liphume eChingalanga. Uyikhona njani into le? Accept the season. Embrace the now. Because it's now, it's what you have. Embrace it. Take your time of learning in the season you are in. Collect knowledge as much as you can. As much as you can. Collect knowledge. Let's go to point number 5. Let go of comparison. You see, this is the thing that makes us chase too much. That makes us chase a lot of things until we get into troubles. So it's important to understand, let it go. I cannot compare myself with someone else. I cannot compare myself with my friend. I cannot compare myself with my colleague. Mhlambe bona ngokwabo bayi-couple when you are a single parent, but you want to compare yourself with your colleague, with your peers. Ube nama peer pressures. Ama-peer pressures asingwa teenagers. Even abantu abakhulu banama peer pressure. Because your colleague emsebenzini uthenga ikolo yetsha nawe ufila ngathi ufuna uku-upgrade. Hayi nami ngathi nga-upgrade manazi ngithola ikolo yetsha yazi. Hey, no guys. Stop comparing yourself. Stop. Let it go. Comparison fuels discontent. Social media, peer pressures, njengoba bengikhuluma, and culture standards. Ngoba banibani kunomnyanya kwakhe, umnyanya wakwakhe bowuso, bafaka namabhaluni, benzani, beza nesiphaphamtshini. Nawe sofuna ukwenza lokho. Uzozilimaza mntwana ekhaya. Uzozilimaza. So linga ngamandla ukuthi ezinye zezinto ezizima standards thizeni uzibeke ngemva. Ungakhambi nama trends afikako. Ama trends enzelwa ukuthengisa. Just ukusikela nje in marketing and digital marketing and stuff like that. So you need to create a trend, a hashtag, so that you can sell something. Then once i-trend into leyo igcwala konke nje, you are able to make sales in a short space of time. Yabona. So ungazicompare. That was point number 5. How many we have? Okay, yeah, not sure. We can finish quickly. Point number 6 is the most important one. Try to nurture your spirit, your being. Try to nurture it. And ulinge ngamandla lokuthi udle ukudla okufunza umoya. Ngoba sinokudla okufunza umzimba, right? brotho, miratha, zinyama, miroho, zinselo nananani konke lokho ukudla komzimba and umzimba sudimi ukudla lokho. But kangangani ngokudla komkhumbulo ukuthi nawukudlileko kugcwalise umoya, because your mkhumbulo, your moya, your mind your mind, it's your soul, right? Then you have a spirit. Okay, so fanele udle ngengcondo ukufunza your spirit. Ngilokho bengithi ngikwenza ngikudlulise ngalingo point number 6. Kumnandi siyahleka yazi, but abanye abantu they are going through a lot, guys. Izinto ezifana lezi sizikhuluma la abazazi, and izinto ezisimple nazizo ngizikhuluma njani, izinto ezilula ezifuna umuntu nje azijayeze zona ilanga nelanga, and wazijayeza zona uthoma manje uyachaphuluka nemoyeni. Amagulo wokugandeleleka emkhumbulweni ayathoma ayasuka nawo, uyaqaquluka, ukwazi ukucabanga, ukwazi ukwenza ezinye izinto ebekade ucabanga ukuthi angeke wazenza, ukwazi ukuba namahlelo wakusasa, weveke ezako, wenyanga ezako, umnyaka ozako kuhle, and uwafezekise wonke, right? So linga ngamandla ukuthi ube yabona amakholwa yesondweni, amakholwa afunda iBhayibheli, abanye bafunda iQurani, abanye bafunda incwadi zakaBhahawula, abanye maHindu, abanye maBuddhism, abanye njalo, just to nurture their spirits and their soul. So have something like that. Abanye benza meditation, abanye benza yoga, abanye benza linga ukuthola izinto ezifana nalezo, then ifocus yakho enengi ibe sekutheni umoyami uthabile, umoyami uchaphulukile, umoyami awukagandeleleki ngezinto ezihalelwa inyama. Yabona? Ngoba izinto eziningi esingena kizo nesizigijimisako sigijimise ukuzokuthabisa inyama. Itekela le 5000 engifuna ulithenga, ijini le ya 7000 engifuna uyithenga yombathwa inyama. But kunejini man yabo ma 800 equality njengayo nale ye 7000. Why not ye 800 than ye 5000? Yabo? So nase ukhone ukuchannela your soul, which is your psychology, your psycho, ikhone ukuqabanga sisa nokuthatha inqundo ezifaneleko, then your spirit iyakhona manje ukukupha amandla wokwenza izinto lezo ngaphandle kwegandelelo. Point number 7, slow down and be present. Abanye bethu we are not even present. Abanye abazi namhlanje kwenzakaleni. Akakaliphili ilanga namhlanje umunye umuntu. Omunye bekasacabanga ngento zayizolo ezenzeka izolo. Uthwenyeke ngazi, yathi usikede wafika, yazi wafika phethe ini nani, wafika wazikhukhumeza or wafika wenzani. Usese worried ngezinto zayizolo. Omunye uthwenyeke ngezinto zakusasa. Angasisho ukuthi kuyokwenzakalani kusasa. So past, it's our history, guys. Past, it's our history. We cannot do anything with it. It's gone. It happened. Done and dusted. So it's a past. Ungaphili endweni yayizolo, khulukhulu ebuhlungu. Unless into yayizolo cabanga ngayo yihle imnandi yakuthabisa ikwenza ukuthi ube nemizwa emnandi uzizwe kuhle. Ukuthabela inje inamhlanje onalo. Ikusasa sikhuluma ngento ezako, sikhuluma ngento esazokwenzeka, sikhuluma ngento esihuluphelako. So kuyafuneka ukuthi kesinye isikhathi singazithwenya kakhulu man ngezinto esizihuluphelako. Nazifikileko zifikile, nazenzekileko zenzekile. Kodwa into eqhakatheke kakhulu kwamambala ngile esinayo namhlanje slower down ukwenzela ukuthi ukwazi ukuba present njenganje. So thatha point number 8 okuyipoint yokugcina siyayivala. Balekela ukwenza into wenzela abantu. Izinto othwenyeka ngazo la ukhona nje zizinto ofuna ukuzenza ukuthi abantu bakubone. Lezi ofuna ukuzenzela zona wena azikugulisi, azikuphathisi ihloko, kodwa ziyakuthabisa. Lezi esifuna ukuzenzela abantu, lezi esifuna ukuthi abantu basibone ngazo, lezi esifuna ukuthi siprovele abantu ngazo, ngizo ezisigulisako. Ngizo ezisenza singaphumuli, ngizo ezisenza sihlala sikuma chase. I'm chasing this and that and this and that. So ipoint yokugcina ngileyo ethi refrain from trying to prove a point to others. Linga ngamandla ukwenza into uzenzela wena. I'm on this live stream not for someone else. I'm not trying to prove anything to somebody. And I'm talking to people abathanda content yami and then abayizwisisako. But now you are here and then you don't understand my content. Maybe you are in the wrong live stream. There's a lot of live streams ezikhona ezenzekayo kuma social media platforms. Mhlambe wena bolinde umjive yabo. Mhlambe wena bolinde ama gossips. No, not here. Here we just feeding our souls. We're sharing inspirational talks. Yabo. We inspire one another. And now I'm learning from you guys a lot. Ngiyafunda okuningi. So nasingalinga ukuthatha last point okuyipoint number 8 ukubalekela ukwenza izinto sithi sifuna abantu basibone. Yonke into sizoyenza sikhamba ngepace yethu kunokuthi sikhambe ngepace yokutshengisa abantu. Kuba buhlungu ngoba nasesenza izinto sifuna ukwenzela abantu siyabatshela nabo ukuthi ngesikhathi soza benginalokho nasingasenzekiko indwezo sebakubuza. Kula kuba buhlungu khona. Kula manje kuthoma amagulo khona. Kula abanye bacabanga nokuzibulala. Kula abanye bacabanga ukufuduka endaweni. Kula abanye bacabanga ukuzifihla. Yazini ungenzi into ngoba ufuna ukuyokubethelwa izandla ndawana. Yenza into ngoba lendo ingaphakathi kwamahlelo wempilo yakho. Bakuthi ngithokozile. Thokoze kukhulu kwamambala. Sizalinga ukuthi sibambe lendo engikubawa ngakuwe kulandela iYouTube channel yaka Bongani Mthombothi kodwa ke ihlolwe ngakwethu our home. Nongalandela iYouTube channel leyo sikhulise amahlelo afana la sikwazi nokwa live streamer nakiyo amanye siwashare kiyo ukwazi nawe ukwathatha uwabelane nabanye abantu. Lokho kuzosisiza. Ngaphezulu kokho konke okuningi ngithabela ithando nesekelo engilifumana ngakini ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kungezinye zezinto ezingenza ngibe ngilumuntu enginguye ngoba nangicabanga ukuchapha, ngicabanga ukukhuluma into engazwakaliko, vane ngicabange nina ukuthi kuyokwenzakalani ngabantu abakholelwako enkulumeni naye ngizikhulume sebangizwa ngiphambukile ngikhuluma. Nakuthi ngiphambukile namhlanje ngiyancancabeza. Zayilungisa ngesikhathi esilandelako. Kodwa nakuthi ngikhulume kuhle namhlanje ngiyathokoza. Asiyithuthukise siyenze iphile lento, siyenze ihlale ngaphakathi kwethu. Siphila enkhathini ze-digital, sinama resources ekufanele siwasebenzise ukuthindana nokukhuluma. Nakuthi inkulumo yanamhlanje ifike kuwe ngesikhathi esifaneleko ukukulapha nokukusiza, ngibawa uphole mntwana ekhaya. Ngibawa uphole, ngibawa ukukhumbule ukuthi awusila ephasini ukuzogijimisa izinto zephasi. Sifike singanalitho, siyokhamba singanalitho. ungaguliswa ukuthi awunakoloyi, awunathando, awunamuntu ohlekisana naye. Ungaguliswa ukuthi awunazambatho zakanokutsho zamagama thizeni. Ungaguliswa ukuthi awuna degree, awuna diploma. Zingakugulisi izinto ezifana lezo. Kodwa ke thabela ukuthi uyaphila. Kukhona okuhle osaza kwenza nosaza kufinyelela ngekhambo leli okhamba ngalo. uZimu bekangasisihladla nakanikela inwabo umkhambo okhamba kabuthaka. Kunesizathu sokuthi kuba yini inwabo likhambe kabuthaka. Ezinye zezinto kuliphephisa. Esinye isikhathi silinyazwa kuhaba. Izinto eziningi esizigijimeleko sazingena ngaphakathi kwazo ngathana sakhamba ngenyawo lenwabo. Nganamhlanje asikho ngaphakathi kwemiraro leyo. Akube indaba imnandi. Thokozile.